My application is not a normal temperature heating control loop. It is a refrigeration cooling control loop. How do I configure my controller for this type of application? This video tutorial will show you how to change the control action from reverse acting control, typically a heating application, to a direct acting control, typically a refrigeration cooling application, on a Eurotherm 2200 series controller. The controller is set up as PID control with control action set as reverse for a typical heating application. We are going to change the control action from reverse REV to direct DIR for a typical refrigeration cooling application. We first begin by putting the controller into the configuration level. Please note, when putting the controller into the configuration level, all outputs are shut off from the process. Before doing this, make sure it is safe to do so. We will be using the 4 buttons across the bottom of the controller. The leftmost button is called the page button. The next button to the right is the scroll button. The next button to the right is the down button. The final button to the right is the up button. First, we must begin by pressing the page button repeatedly until we see ACCS list. Press the scroll key once and you will see code pass or code 0. With the up button, change the value to 1. Now press the scroll key once and you will see go to OPER. With the up or down buttons, change the value OPER to CONF. Now press the scroll key once and you will see code 0. With the up button, change the value to 2. Now press the page button and the display will change to INST CONF. Now press the scroll button repeatedly until the display reads ACT REV. Now press the up button to change the displayed value from REV to DIR. Now press the page button repeatedly until the display reads Exit No. Press the up button to change the value No to Yes. At this time, the controller will reboot. You have successfully changed the control action from reverse acting control, a typical heating application, to direct acting control, a typical refrigeration cooling application.
For information on all of our control solutions, please visit our website at www.nets-inc.com.